Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be talking about all of the good deals that are going on at Dollar General this week, plus we have a glitch list to go over. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go, and also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time because they are simply just that. They are a glitch in the system. So it is very important when you're in the store to scan each item in your app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also you want to scan each item to price check because prices can vary from store to store. Alright, so first up we have the Fanta, Barks, Root Beer, and Mellow Yellow 2 liters. They are on sale this week for just $1. Next up, we have the 6 packs of Coca-Cola and Sprite. They are on sale this week, 3 for $10. And we also have Dr. Pepper, 7-Up, Canada Dry, A&W, RC Cola, and Sunkist 6 packs. They are on sale, 3 for $9. Now, we also have a sale this week on the 12 packs of Dr. Pepper, 7-Up, A&W, Canada Dry, RC Cola, and Sunkist products. They're on sale this week, 3 for $11, and we have a 1-off 3 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $10 for 3. Alright guys, next up we have a sale on the Pepsi and Mountain Dew 12 packs. They are on sale this week, 3 for $10. Now, we did have a 2-off 2 Lay's and Pepsi digital coupon, but that coupon is no longer attaching to anything in the app, at least for me. Now, that may be a your miles may vary kind of deal, so let me know down in the comment section below if your Pepsi coupon is still working. Alright, next up we have the V8 Splash drinks. They are on sale this week, 2 for $3, making those $1.50 each. And we also have a sale on the Kellogg's and Post cereals. They are on sale this week, 3 for $6, making those just $2 each. And we also have a sale on Pringles this week. They are normally $1.70 each, but this week they're on sale 2 for $3, making them $1.50 each. Alright, next up we have the Stouffer's, or maybe it's Stouffer's, I'm not quite sure. But either way, we have the Whales and the Animal cookies and crackers. They're on sale this week. Buy 2, get 1 for free. So you're going to pay $2 for 3. And we also have the Welch's Fruit Snacks. These are $1 each, but they're on sale this week. Buy 2, get 1 for free. So you're going to pay $2 for 3 bags. And we also have Jolly Rancher candies. These are normally $2 each, but they're on sale this week. Buy 2 and get 1 for free. So you're going to pay $4 for 3 bags. And we also have a sale on the Werther's candies. So these are also $1 each, but they're on sale this week. Buy 3, get 1 for free. So you're going to pay $3 for 4 bags. And here's yet another candy deal. Now, y'all keep in mind, Valentine's Day is right around the corner. So if you have kids in school that they plan out those Valentine's Day parties, you may want to take advantage of these prices while we have them available. So we have the bags of the Charms Blow Pop Suckers. These are normally $1.50 each, but they're on sale this week for $1. Next up, we have the Sour Patch and Swedish Fish Candies 8-ounce bags. So these are on sale this week. Buy 2, get 1 for free. And we have a 50-cent off 2 digital coupon. So after the sale and that coupon are applied, that's going to leave you paying $3.90 for 3, making those $1.30 each. And we also have a sale on Reese's. So these are normally $1 each, but they're on sale this week. Buy 4 and get 1 for free. So you're going to pay $4 for 5 Reese's. And we also still have this save $2 when you buy $7 worth of Reese's Candies digital coupon. So if you want to pick up 11 Reese's Peanut Butter Cups at $1 each, after the sale and that digital coupon are applied, that is going to leave you paying $7 for 11. And we also still have this deal. It is buy 1 of the Reese's Heart Valentine's Day boxes and get 1 of the Reese's Candy Hearts king size for free. So after that coupon is applied, you're going to pay $5 for both of those products. Next up, we have the Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. These are on sale this week, 2 for $3, making those $1.50 each. And we also received a 1-off 2 digital coupon for the Hidden Valley products. So if you want to pick up these seasoning packets, pick up 2 of those, use that 1-off 2 digital coupon, and that is going to leave you paying $2.70 for 2, making those $1.35 each. And we also received a 1-off 2 digital coupon for the 1 pound of ground beefs. So if you want to pick up 2 of those, that's going to put you at $9. Use that 1-off 2 digital coupon. You're going to pay $8 for 2, making those $4 each. Alright, next up we have a couple of deals on pet food. So we have the Friskies Cat Food 3.15 pound bags. These are normally $4.85 each, but they're on sale this week 2 for $9, making those $4.50 each. And we also have a sale on the Kibbles and Bits dog food 3-pound bags. These are normally $5.25, but they're on sale this week for $4.50. All right, next up, we're moving on into our household deals. So we received this $1.50 off one for the Angel Soft Ultra Bath Tissue. So if you want to pick up these 6 mega rolls, those are priced at $5.50. After that digital coupon is applied, you're going to pay just $4. And we also received a $1.50 off one for the Quilted Northern Bath Tissue. So if you want to pick up the 12 count, those are priced at $7.50. After that digital coupon is applied, you're going to pay $6. Next up, we received a 50-cent off one digital coupon for the True Living trash bags. Now, there's a lot that you can choose from, as you can see on this picture here. All of them are priced at $7 this week. After that digital coupon is applied, you're going to pay $6.50. Next up, we also received a $1.50 off one for the Finish dishwasher tablet. So if you want to pick up the 22 count or the 24 count, those are priced at $7. After that digital coupon is applied, you're going to pay $5.50. Alright guys, next up we did receive a lot of new digital coupons on our Gain products, so that is awesome. So number one, that's going to be great for our Saturday scenarios. I already have a couple of deals lined up. And number two, I have heard through the grapevine that $5 coupon for the P&G products is still printing off on the bottom of your receipts this week. Now I am not for sure, I have not confirmed this, but after I get done uploading this video, I'm going to head on out to DG and try that out because I have a couple of daily deals that I want to share with y'all, and I'll put that in a little short quick video, and I'll upload that later today after I have confirmed that that is still printing. Alright guys, so here are our Gain coupons. We received a 3 off one for the Gain liquid laundry detergent, the 51 count flings, or the large containers of fireworks. Those are all priced at $13.50. After that digital coupon is applied, you're going to pay $10.50. Next up, we received another 2 off 1 digital coupon on the Gain laundry products that are priced at $6.95. So there's a lot that you can choose from. We have liquid laundry detergent, we have the flings, we have the fabric softener, the sheets, or the scent boosters. So after you use that digital coupon, you're going to pay $4.95. Next up, we also received a 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Gain liquid laundry detergent or the powdered laundry detergent. Those are both priced at $4.95. So after that digital coupon is applied, you're going to pay $3.95. Next up, we received a 1 off 1 for the Gain laundry products that are priced at $3.95. Again, there's a lot that you can choose from. We have the flings, the fabric softener, the sheets, or the fireworks that are priced at $3.95. So after that digital coupon is applied, you're going to pay $2.95. Next up, we received a 1 off 1 for the Tide and Bounce laundry products. So this digital coupon works on the Tide Pods or the liquid laundry detergent. Those are both priced at $4.95. After that digital coupon is applied, you're going to pay $3.95. And this digital coupon also works on the Bounce Pet Dryer Sheets 50 count. Those are also priced at $4.95. So after that digital coupon is applied, you're going to pay $3.95. And here is a really good deal. We have the extra liquid laundry detergent 150 ounces. These are priced at $5. We do have a 1 off 1 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying just $4. Alright guys, next up we did receive a 4 off 2 digital coupon for the Febreze Unstoppable product. So there is a lot included with this digital coupon. You can pick up the Febreze Unstoppables Wax Melts, or you could also pick up the Febreze Unstoppables Small Spaces, or you could also pick up the Febreze Ocean, Wood, or Forest Scented Air Fresheners. Or you could also use this digital coupon on the Febreze Heavy Duty Fabric Refreshers. So all of those products are priced at $4 each. Pick up 2 of those, use that 4 off 2 digital coupon, and you're going to pay $4 for 2, making those $2 each. Now, if you can find the Febreze Fabric Refresher Ocean Scented, pick up 2 of those. That's going to put you at $7.20. Use that 4 off 2 digital coupon, and you're going to pay $3 for 2. And this digital coupon is also working on the Febreze 1 count Car Clips Whispering Woods scent. So those are priced at $3 each. Pick up 2 of those, use the 4 off 2 digital coupon, and you're going to pay $2 for 2, making those just $1 each. Alright, next up we have a couple of instant savings deals. So we have the Bygen, I hope I'm saying that correctly. It is a hair color kit. These are priced at $4.50. After that instant savings is applied, you're going to pay $3.50. And we also have the Dark and Lovely hair color kits. These are priced at $5 to $5.95. We have a $1 in instant savings, so that's going to leave you paying $4 or $4.95. And we also have an instant savings of $2 on the Carol's Daughter products. So these are priced at $7. After that instant savings is applied, you're going to pay $5. Alright, next up we have the Dove Amplified Hair Care products. So these are priced at $7 each. Pick up 2 of those. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon, and that is going to leave you paying $10 for 2. Now my store does not carry these yet, but hopefully they will soon. Next up, we did receive a 2 off 2 for the Herbal Essences shampoos and conditioners and styling products. These are priced at $4 each, so pick up 2 of those, use that digital coupon, and you're going to pay just $6 for 2. And we also received a 2 off 2 digital coupon for the Aussie shampoo, conditioner, or styling products. These start out at $3 each, so pick up 2 of those, use that digital coupon, you're going to pay $4 for 2, making those $2 each. And we also received a 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Garnier Whole Blends hair care products. These start out at $3.50. After that digital coupon is applied, you're going to pay $2.50. And we also received a 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Garnier Fructis products. So if you want to pick up these shampoos or conditioners, they're priced at $3. After that digital coupon is applied, you're going to pay just $2. And we also have the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine leave-in conditioners. These are priced at $3. After that 1 off 1 digital coupon is applied, that's going to leave you paying just $2. Now, if your store still has the Garnier Fructis Damage Eraser shampoos and conditioners, those are priced at $2.70. So after that digital coupon is applied, that's going to leave you paying $1.70. Alright, next up we have the 12.5 ounce bottles of Jergens lotions. These are priced at $4.25. We have a $1.50 off 1 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $2.75. And we also received a 2 off 1 for the Jergens Natural Glow Lotion. So these are priced at $6.50. After that digital coupon is applied, you're going to pay $4.50. And we also received a 1 off 1 for the Palmer's products. So if you want to pick up the Palmer's Coconut Oil Lotion, 8.5 ounces, these are priced at $3.75. After that digital coupon is applied, you're going to pay $2.75. And we also received a 2 off 1 for the L'Oreal skincare products. So if you want to pick up the L'Oreal Paris skincare, they have day creams and night creams. They're all priced at $10.50. After that digital coupon is applied, you're going to pay $8.50. And we also received a 2 off 1 for the Clean and Clear face care products. So if you want to pick up the Clean and Clear facial scrubs, these are priced at $5. After that digital coupon is applied, you're going to pay just $3. Next up, we have a 1 off 1 for the Kotex products. So the majority of these are priced at $4. There's a lot that you can choose from. So after that digital coupon is applied, you're going to pay just $3. And this digital coupon is also working on the U by Kotex security pads. These are priced at $3.25. After that coupon, you're going to pay $2.25. Next up, we also received a 2 off 1 for the Playtex Sport tampons 14 count. These are priced at $3.75. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.75. And we also received a 1 off 1 for the Carefree liners. These are priced at $3.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.25. Alright, moving right along, we have some makeup deals. So we have the CoverGirl foundations or powders. Those are priced at $6. We have a 2 off 1 digital coupon for the CoverGirl face products. So after that one is applied, you're going to pay just $4. And we also received a 2 off 1 for the CoverGirl eye products. So if you want to pick up the CoverGirl eyeliners, those are priced at $4.50. After that digital coupon is applied, you're going to pay $2.50. Alright, next up, we received a 2 off 1 for the Maybelline New York products. So if you want to pick up the Maybelline Great Lash Mascaras, those are priced at $5. After that digital coupon is applied, you're going to pay $3. Or you could also use this 2 off 1 Maybelline digital coupon on the Maybelline eyeliners. Those are priced at $5, so after that coupon, you're going to pay $3. Alright guys, next up we received a 1 off 1 for the Crest mouthwash. So if you want to pick up the 1 liter of Crest with Scope mouthwash, those are priced at $4. After that digital coupon is applied, you're going to pay $3. Or if you want to pick up the 500 milliliter bottles of Crest with Scope mouthwash, those are priced at $3. So after that digital coupon is applied, you're going to pay just $2. And we do have a couple of deals on baby products this week. So we did receive a 2 off 1 digital coupon for the Goodnights underwears. Those are priced at $11.50. So after that coupon, you're going to pay $9.50. And we also received a 2 off 1 for the Huggies diapers. These start out at $9.95. After that digital coupon is applied, you're going to pay $7.95. And we also received a 1 off 1 for the A&D diaper rash cream. These are priced at $4.50. After that digital coupon is applied, you're going to pay $3.50. And we also have a couple of medicine deals this week. So we have the Tylenol 24 count extra strength. Those are priced at $5.50. We have a 2 off 1 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $3.50. And we also received a 1 off 1 for the DG Health cold and flu products. Those are priced at $3.75 this week. So after that coupon, you're going to pay $2.75. And we also received a 50-cent off one digital coupon for the DG Health 100 count ibuprofen. So those are priced at $2.50. After that digital coupon is applied, you're going to pay just $2. And we also received a 2 off 1 for the Robitussin products. So these start out at $4. After that digital coupon is applied, you're going to pay just $2. Alright guys, so now we're going to move on into our glitch list. So we did receive a new digital coupon for 150 off 1 for the Kingsford charcoal. Now this is supposed to be on the 8-pound bags or larger, but this digital coupon is working on the 6.2-pound bags that are priced at $6. So pick up one of those, use that digital coupon, and that is going to leave you paying $4.50. Alright, next up we have the Lysol toilet bowl cleaners in the dollar aisle for $1. So pick up 2 of those, use the 1 off 2 digital coupon, and that is going to leave you paying $1 for 2. And a big shout out and thank you to Debra Williams Bus, DWB. Y'all hit that subscribe button. I'm going to leave her link to her YouTube channel right down below in the pinned comment. And this 1 off 2 digital coupon is also working on the Lysol multi-surface cleaner found in the dollar aisle for $1. So pick up 2, use that digital coupon, and you're going to pay $1 for 2, making those 50 cents each. Now, we also have a 50-cent off 1 digital coupon for the Lysol products. So if you want to pick up one of the Lysol toilet bowl cleaners, use the 50-cent off 1 digital coupon, and that is going to leave you paying just 50 cents. And same thing for the Lysol multi-surface cleaner found in the dollar aisle for $1. Pick up one of those, use the 50-cent off 1 digital coupon, and that is going to leave you paying just 50 cents. Next up, we have the Colgate Junior Kids toothpaste for $1. We have a 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Colgate toothpaste. So after you use that, that is going to make it completely free. And we also have the Crest with Scope mouthwash for $1. You can find this in the trial or travel section. For $1, use the 1 off 1 Crest digital coupon, and that is going to make it completely free. Alright guys, and last but not least, this one is actually not a glitch, but it is a freebie and giving us overage now, so I added it on here to the end of our glitch list. So if y'all can find the Angel Soft Toilet Bowl Cleaner with the fresh evergreen scented tubes, those are now down to just 10 cents. So if you can find those, use this 50-cent off 1 Angel Soft digital coupon. That is going to make it completely free, plus give you 40 cents in overage. Now, I know this is going to be a little bit harder to find, but I just want y'all to be aware of it so that y'all can keep your eye out at your stores. You just never know what has been sitting back in that back room that maybe the employees just haven't gotten to it yet. Maybe they just haven't pulled it out and put it on the shelves, and they don't realize that it's down to 10 cents. Come on, guys. So you just never know. Hey, I went penny shopping yesterday and found 2 $5 candles and paid just 1 penny a piece. So like I said, you just never know. Alright guys, so that is it for our good deals and glitch list for this week. But like I said earlier, I've heard rumors that that $5 coupon is still printing on the bottom of the receipts. Okay, we had that spend deal on P&G products last week, and it was supposed to end on Saturday, according to the ad that I had. But I've heard rumors that it's still printing, so I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to try it out at my store, and I'll let y'all know. I already have a couple of spend deals ready to rock and roll, so I will probably have a second video out as soon as I confirm that, and I'll get that voiceover done, and I'll upload that. So be on the lookout for a second video at the very, very latest. I will upload it super early in the morning, all right? So just be on the lookout for that, because we are going to have some awesome deals if that $5 coupon is printing. Now, in the meantime, if y'all want to check out some more P&G coupon matchups, and if you want to learn more about spend deals, I did post a video last week on all of the P&G coupons that we have right now, plus the glitches, plus the spend deals. All of that wrapped up into one video for y'all, so I'll leave that one linked in the pinned comment down below. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope it was helpful for you. Now before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button right down below this video, because we are like 50 people away from hitting 20,000 crazy couponers. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of our crazy couponing family here. Also, please give the video a big thumbs up. It's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have an amazing day, and I will see you on the next one.